Hi friends, thanks so much for joining me. Today we are going to tackle those morning chores. I woke up feeling really energized and ready to take on the day. So today I'm just doing some maintenance cleaning. It's going to be a short and sweet video, but packed full of motivation. So if you enjoy cleaning videos, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you, and let's begin. I'll begin in my laundry room. I'm going to wash the sheets that I just took off my bed, as well as tidy up this space. It does become a collectall of random things, so I'm going to put some things away, wipe down the tops of the washer and dryer along with the tub, and then I will move on to my upstairs master bathroom. But I have so many ideas of how I want to make better use of this laundry room space. I feel like it's so cluttered in here. It's not a very large room, so I'm thinking if we swapped these washer and dryers out for a stackable washer and dryer, that would really provide a lot more space in this room. Get a countertop, maybe put some shelves and have some storage underneath the countertop. I have so many ideas. Just add it to our list. We are so excited to start taking on a lot of projects in the house. But if you are working on any home projects, let me know down in the comments, or if you're cleaning along with me today, let me know what areas of your house you're cleaning. I love hearing from you.
Looking like enemies. We used to be the team people talk about. What a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse.
Moving on to my bathroom, I'm just going to do some more maintenance cleaning. This bathroom constantly needs dusting. I cannot stand hairspray and dust to collect on the countertops. I can't stand that feeling. So I know I say that quite a lot. So I'm going to be dusting, wiping the countertops, cleaning the mirror, and vacuuming this space before moving on to my bedroom.
I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of here. Power
If you're enjoying today's video and gaining some motivation, please give this video a thumbs up. I cannot tell you enough how much I appreciate each and every one of you. I'm so grateful for your support. But make sure you keep watching, because towards the end of the video, I'll be sharing a new calendar that I purchased for my home office. I have been searching for a wall calendar for that space for a really long time, and I finally found one, and I couldn't be happier with how it turned out.
I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. It's funny how easily a life can be torn apart. Why couldn't I simply see that I was sick at heart and I am in deep debt? The climb we did was unreal. You made me so speechless. I just can't believe it. You broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. Ooh, I was my own enemy, screamed out loud.
Moving on to my bedroom, just doing some dusting, vacuuming. I need to put the clean sheets on the bed, so of course I'm going to make the bed. But I appreciate some of you had given your feedback about air purifiers and how you felt it helped some with the dust. So I'm definitely going to be looking into that and see if that might help. We get a lot of dust in our house, and I feel like I can never keep up. So definitely something I'm going to look into. I really appreciate your guys' feedback. I love this community and just how helpful you all are. It's great to hear different cleaning techniques or hear all about different products you are using, and it's fun to learn from one another.
In your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, I rise from the ashes with pins and patches. We carry on. I rise from the ashes. I heal from your passion. My doubts are gone. Oh, yeah. Felt impossible in my bones, like getting
I get a lot of questions asking where I got this blue comforter set, and believe it or not, it is from Amazon, and I really love this set. I will say it's not the highest quality, but it is a really affordable price. I love the texture of it, and surprisingly, it's very soft. So I will link that down below in the description box for anyone who's interested. It comes in a lot of colors as well.
I'm not over you. Keep missing our fights, even though there's overdue. We had a fire, now we're watching it burn low. Isn't it time we go our separate ways? Not enough time, not enough time. I'm falling behind, I hate to separate my body and mind, my body and mind. You feel like demons in my mind, demons in my mind. You taste like demons in my mind.
Small confession to make here. I bought a few things from the Nordstrom anniversary sale, one of them being the Barefoot Dreams blanket that everyone was raving about. I've heard about this blanket for a few years now, and I just couldn't bring myself to pay the price for it, but I decided to gift myself it this year. So that is it you see on the chair, and I have to say it's the most comfortable blanket I've ever owned. It's also a really large size, so it is worth the hype if you were wondering. But I'm curious to know if any of you splurged during the Nordstrom anniversary sale, and if so, let me know down in the comments of what you got.
But I guess that's what love do. Someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away, I can tell this.
The final room I will be tidying today is my home office, and I'm going to declutter my desk. It becomes full of so many papers, receipts, bills, you name it. It seems to end up on the desk. So I'm going to put those items away, dust the desk, as well as those many shelves behind the desk. The dusting is a constant struggle, and it just feels good to stay on top of it before it gets out of hand. And then I will be vacuuming and finally hanging that calendar that I spoke about earlier. I'm really excited to finally get this hung.
I think I said enough. You said you love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car. Let me see who you are, who you really are. Yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Let's be honest for a second. Yeah, you're being over your head, babe. 'Cause there is no one other than me that can make you feel the way you feel when I hold you. I think I said enough. You said you love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car. Let me see who you are, who you really are. Yeah, don't need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know if you're gonna leave me, then just do it.
Finally, moving on to the wall calendar that I have been raving about. I have seen this calendar on so many different social media accounts, and I love the fact that it's all glass. It's just such a pretty look. I like the gold posts on each corner, and it comes with a dry erase marker as well, and even better, the dry erase marker is white. I'm also going to hang this wall organizer. I got this from my mom a while ago and I've been holding out until I found a calendar. So I am finally hanging it up, Mom. And I'm going to hang it to the left, on the wall to the left side of the door opening. I think that's perfect. That way when I'm sitting at my desk, I have a perfect view of it. But it was a little tedious to hang, so I did require some help from my husband. I spared you guys the whole footage of that, but I love it, and I love this little wall organizer. It has these little clips. You can hang appointment reminders, postcards, whatever you want to help keep you organized. But that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new. Have a wonderful day. I will see you in the next one. Take care.